Okay team, we're going to start you off with the easiest component, which is the brass filler rod shaft. To start a new part, just click on the new from this welcome menu, and this will open you up to this menu here. What we want to select when we're selecting parts or making parts is standard millimeter IPT. So double click on that one and it will open up your screen. Just waiting. Here we go. Alright. So to start every new part, what you want to do is create 2D sketch, which is just up here in the top left corner. Click on that one. Now for 2014 users, you'll see this screen, but if you're using 2012, which is on the desktops in the CAD room, then you won't see this and it should come up with a little grid line. So just click that, and now you're in sketch mode, which is this little green menu just here. All we want to do here is create the diameter for the shaft. Alright, so just up here in the sketch menu, select circle. Now bring the cursor back down to the middle, which is the origin. You'll see it go green, and then just click once and then drag out. Drag it anywhere and then click down. Now our brass filler rod shaft is 1.6, so we want to make sure we dimension it so that it's 1.6 millimeters. So selecting the dimension tool up here, then come down, hover over the circle, click once, drag out, then click again to locate it. Now you can just click on the dimension, and we want to make that 1.6 millimeters. There we go. Okay, finish the sketch and then we'll show you what to do next. Okay, now we've finished our sketch, we're going to move in to make it 3D. So to do that, we want to use a menu at the top which is called Extrude. Alright, so this is where we click on this and it'll turn our 2D shape into a 3D shape. So just click Extrude. Now what it's going to do is automatically select that circle because it's the only shape that it can recognise. And over here in this menu here, this is how we can determine the length of how far we want it to extrude out. Now in this case we need to make it 200 millimeters, which is the same length of our pipe eventually. So all we need to do here is click in here and make it 200, and you'll see the preview. Just hit OK, and now to get our view back center, just use this little cube at the top and always click on the corner and it'll center it back in. There we have it. That is our little shaft. We'll just do a few little cosmetics things next. Now we're going to make it look like it is brass, so all we need to do here is just go up to the top menu where it says default, and this is our little appearance tab. So all we want to do here is scroll through different materials that we can pick. Now it was made out of brass, so hopefully there's some brass in here somewhere, and there it is, brass satin. That'll do. You should see it change the colour. So now we can have a look, we'll zoom in and we can see it's nice and shiny for us. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you draw the brass filler rod shaft for your pump assembly. Good luck.